There are two methods. First we are discussing column method, and then we will solve the problems based on column method for squaring a two-digit number. This method is applicable for squaring only two-digit numbers. Uh, in this case, we have to, this its name is column method. Clear? So in this case, we take first number equal to A, and second number equal to B. Then we make columns here. Three columns we will make. First column, second column, third column. And here in these three columns, first we have made three columns. Then in first column we write first number square of first number, A square. In second column we write 2 into A into B, and in third column we write the square of second number. So this is the method, but this will be clear by an example we will take. So example, we are taking 25 square. Here we will find here the square of 25 square we have to find out. So here question is 25 square we have to find out. So the value of A is 2, the first number, and the value of B is what? B is 5. Now what we will calculate here only? A is equal to 2. So A square is equal to 2 into 2, that is we are getting 4. And B, 2AB is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. 2AB we have to write here. So we are getting here 20. We are getting 20. Now B square we have to calculate. This is equal to 5 square, that is equal to 25. So we will write here A square. So what we will write here? A square, that is 4 is here, and 2AB is 20 here. We will write 20, and B square, that is 25. So what we have to do here, 5 is there. We will underline the first digit from the right side, that is the units place. We will underline, then we will add here this. We will add here 2 is left over here. We will add here. Then we are getting 22. We are getting 22. So again underline the units place, that right one digit. Then 2 is left over here. We will take this 2 here. Then we will add. We are adding here 4 plus 2, that is 6. Now here only one digit is there. We will underline this one. Then 6 to 5. We will consider only the underlined digits. So square of 25 is equal to 6 to 5. 6 to 5. So answer is of this example question we have taken, that is 625. Exercise 3C. Shortcut method we have to use here. Find the value of each of the following using column method. This first method's name is column method. So we are using this one. Exercise 3C, first question is 23 whole square. 23 whole square, this is the question. So solution we are doing here. Again here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. So in first column, second column, third column here. Third column is there. What we have to write? A square, here 2 into A into B. Here we have to write B square. Then we will calculate the value. here a square, that is 2 square, this is equal to 4. Now 2 into a into b, 2ab, this is equal to 2 into a into b is 3. So we are getting 12. And now b square we have to calculate. B square, that is the value of b is 3. This is equal to 9. Now we will put all these values here. So a square, that is 4, 2ab, that is 12, and b square, that is 9. Again the same process we will do here. We will underline the first digit here, nothing is to carry here. Now 2 is there, 1 we will take here, 4 plus 1, that is 5. Now this underline we will do here. Now 5 to 9, that is 23 whole square is equal to 5 to 9. So this is the answer, 529. Our next question, question number 3rd, that is 52 whole square we have to find out. 52 whole square using column method. So we will find here the value of a is equal to 5, the value of b is equal to 2. Again we will make 3 columns there. First column, second, third, 3 columns we have made here. Here we have to write a square, here 2 into a into b, then here b square. Now we will solve here. A square, that is equal to 5 square, this is equal to 25. 2ab, 2 into a into b, 2 into a, the value of a is 5, the value of b is 2, so we are getting 20 here. Now b square, this is equal to 2 square, this is equal to 4. Clear? 52, a is 5, b is 2. So b square is 4. Now we will put here the values. A square is 25. I will tell here. 2ab we have calculated 20. We will write here. B square we will write here. Now start underline. 4 is there. 0 is there. Now 2 we will take here. 2. Now we are getting 27. At this place, in earlier questions we have seen there was only one digit. But even there are 2 digits are there, we will take both the digits underline. So 52 whole square we will write. This is equal to 27. 27, then 0 is there and then 4 is there. So this will be our answer,